Running a pre-mortem helps to overcome blind spots, voice fears and potential problems, and avert failures before they happen. To kick off your pre-mortem workshop, tell your team that they'll be each writing a story about the project you're embarking on together, and then share it with the group. Writing and reading aloud can make some people feel nervous, so it's a good idea to lay down some ground rules. The stories don't have to be well written. The stories can take whatever form you like: a press release, a newspaper article, company memo, or whatever feels most natural to you. It's good to be honest and include details you normally wouldn't mention to fear of being rude. Split your team into two groups: the total disaster crew and the roaring success crew. Then, have everyone open a private doc. Ask them to imagine it's a month after your big project has launched. Have each person in the total disaster crew spend 15 minutes writing a candid, detailed stories about why the project failed, and have the roaring success crew do the same thing but describe a winning scenario. When everyone's finished writing, have them read their stories aloud, one by one. This part can be funny, don't be afraid to laugh. When everyone's done reading their stories, ask them to add the top 3 reasons for their project's success or failure and discuss what sticks out. Do you notice any patterns or themes? Which reasons for failure are most plausible? And which reasons for success do you feel super confident about? Ask your team to reflect on the stories and core causes they've just discussed. Then, in a shared doc or chat application, ask each person to jot down their answers to the following prompt. To prevent disaster and improve our chances of success, what is one thing we should stop doing, start doing, and continue doing? When you're done, have everyone vote on one answer for each category. Then decide on and assign next steps. If your project seems doomed to fail, consider revisiting your project brief. If it seems destined for success, pat yourselves on the back. When it comes to project planning, visioning the nightmare is equally important to dreaming about the ideal. Taking a peek at both sides prepares you for outcomes you might not have considered and can shine a light on the direction a project needs to take to achieve the optimal outcome.